Questions using simple present and present progressive. Hello and welcome to our video on English grammar. In this video, we will be focusing on how to form questions in the simple present tense. In English, there are two main ways to form questions in the simple present tense, using the auxiliary verb do or does, and inverting the subject and verb. Examples of questions formed using the auxiliary verb do. 1. Do you speak English? 2. Does she play the piano? 3. Do they walk to school every day? Examples of questions formed by inverting the subject and verb. 1. Are you feeling well? 2. Is he working late tonight? 3. Are they going to the party? It's important to note that in the third person singular, we use does instead of do to form questions with the subject he, she, it. You can also use WH question words to ask for specific information. For example, 1. What do you do for a living? 2. Where does he work? 3. Why does she like that song? Conclusion. In conclusion, there are two main ways to form questions in the simple present tense, using the auxiliary verb do or does, and inverting the subject and verb. Remember to use does instead of do with third-person singular subjects and use WH question words to ask for specific information. Thanks for watching and we hope you found this video helpful.